People think motorcycles are about speed. They think it's about loud exhausts, danger, showing off. But if you ask most riders honestly, it was never really about that. A motorbike gives you something that's hard to explain unless you felt it yourself. Because for a few hours, the noise in your head goes quiet. It's just you, the road, the sound of the engine beneath you, and whatever's waiting around the next corner. You stop caring about notifications, bills, stress, people, problems. You just ride, and somehow a machine made of metal starts feeling more alive than most things in your life. You remember journeys more than destinations. Petrol station coffees at stupid hours. Cold hands in the middle of nowhere. Watching the bikes cool down after a long ride. Laughing with your mates about absolutely nothing. A breakdown at the side of the road, trying to repair something with a bag of bits. And years later, those are the moments you remember. Not the bad days at work, not the arguments, not the endless routine. You remember the roads. You remember the people you met because of bikes. People who were strangers that somehow became brothers. And the strange thing is, a motorbike changes you without you noticing. You become calmer, more confident, more comfortable being alone. You learn that sometimes the best thing you can do is just disappear for a while and ride. No destination, no plan, just movement. And on the hardest days, when your head feels heavy, when your life feels stuck, and you feel like nobody understands you, the helmet becomes the only place on earth where things make sense again. Because on a bike, it doesn't matter who you are, what you earn, what you look like, what's gone wrong in your life. For a little while, you're free. And that is why we ride. Not to escape life, but to feel alive again.